In today's quick tutorial, we'll explore how to play YouTube videos in the background on new iPhones, so let's begin. First, open the Settings app. Scroll down, tap General, then select Picture-in-Picture. Make sure Start PIP automatically is enabled. After that, launch the YouTube app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right. Head into Settings, then choose Playback. If you see the Picture-in-Picture toggle here, it means you're either in the United States or you have an active YouTube Premium plan. If it's there, switch it on. Then just play any video and swipe up to return to the home screen. The clip will shrink into a floating window and continue playing. You can move it around, multitask in other apps, or even lock your screen. The sound won't stop. So yeah, if you're in the US, this works for free on most content except music. But in the rest of the world, the feature won't even show up unless you have YouTube Premium, and once you have it, music will work too. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.